Spika wa Senate Jeffah Amason Kingi niwaweta Senate Yina masola na amwe Ulusani uvathukanu na undu President William Ruto unawetie kana maseneta ni mosanasyaa ivaki kuma kwa mangavana nzamani syoo sya Mbunge vamwe na ivindani ya kwithukiisya livoti sya mangavana ila mang'uthulwa kana kuma kivilani ni Mbunge sya kaundi. Kuleana na Spika Kingi ndini kana vaino kusyo na umwe wa maunyungu nisyo mekuonanya maseneta na Ulusani na kosi matambia make mia oneni wa President ivindani ila ukusi wa kuikika ukaumela Benjamin mwaka na livoti.
Muthenya umwe hitina wa maseneta nzamani ya Mbunge ya wiki wa masafu mambesa ya kaundi Senate ya Spika kuendekethia Spika Jeffah Amason Kingi kumwandikia President William Ruto havikembe wa maseneta kunengana ukosi ulwa muinu wa Ulusani na wosanywa mavaki Senate yu Spika kwe umonde ni wongamane vinde ya mongo kana uneni wa President huina uwo na umwe na kana maseneta ne atheu na vaina ukosi na umwe wina gukuikithia maunungu nisyo amake.
Article 125 of the Constitution decrees that either House of Parliament and any of its committees has power to summon any person to appear before it for the purpose of giving evidence or providing information. This is exactly what the Senate has been doing and will continue doing. The Senate has conducted the impeachment proceedings in accordance with the Constitution and the law and has made its determination on the basis of the evidence and the law. The conduct of the Senate in matters impeachment is a matter of public record. It does not show any consistent pattern of acquittal or confirmation of impeachment charges.
Kuleana na Spika Kingi ni kana akawose matambia make mea oneni wa President ukozi wena umelu wethumilia na wavikwe mesani yake.
As the Speaker of the Senate, I have not received any complaint or information relating to bribery or extortion or any other corrupt practice against a senator from a member of the executive, ministries, department or agencies of government, a governor or other county government agencies. If I do receive such complaint, I am obligated and I will take the necessary stern action without delay.
Kwe umonde uthukumwanza maimwana ya vamwe ya mivya 10 la President William Ruto unase ofisi kwiyo ile kwithwa ungu ofisi wa President nuongamwa ni kotu wa yolo musili wa makwani Justice Bat Mamuye haumia mwamulo itina waenenthi ana kuthikotini maiweta uthukumwanza maiwe likilelo uthukumwa vya ingia silikali yungamie taulwa kukutana na Ulusani wa EACC. Vilingwa mavo kumava musini lovi nyenito Benjamin mwaka.